Hi guys, this is Technomax9 tutorial and you're here with me, Maureen Realte. Today I'm going to show you how to design this graphic and how to animate it in PowerPoint. First, let me show you the animation. There you go. This is a very simple animation and a very simple graphic design, and I really recommend it for the beginners. So let's go and start the tutorial. I've already created this blank slide and I have these color palettes that I'm gonna use. So this PPT is gonna be available for download in the description below, and you can have these color palettes as well, so don't you worry about it. So just follow my tutorial and you'll be able to create exactly the same graphic design and animation. So first of all, go to insert, go to shapes, and from shapes choose rectangles and draw a rectangle that looks something like this. Then the next thing you have to do is go to shape outline, no outline, shape fill. I'm gonna use an eyedropper. I'm gonna use this color. Then I'm gonna duplicate it by pressing Ctrl key on my keyboard and dragging it with my mouse. So I want to center them right in the middle. I'm gonna use the arrow key on my keyboard. Go to insert, go to shapes, and choose rectangles again. And this time I'm just gonna draw it above the rectangle I have made before. I'm gonna go to shape outline, no outline, and from shape fill I'm gonna use an eyedropper and choose this lighter color of green. So I'm gonna duplicate it again, place them here and here, and I'm gonna select this and go to shape fill, and with the eyedropper I'm gonna use the lighter color of blue. I'm gonna do the same for this one. Select it, shape fill, eyedropper, and the lighter color of this maroon or red or whatever you call it. Go to insert, go to shapes, and use rectangles again, and draw a rectangle that looks something like this. Go to shape outline and no outline, shape fill, eyedropper. I'm gonna use this dark version of the green. I'm gonna duplicate them. Select this, shape fill, eyedropper, and use this blue color. Select this, shape fill, eyedropper, and this color. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to insert and use this text box, and from text box I'm gonna draw a text box here, and I'm gonna type business. I'm gonna align this business to center using here. Select the text, and from format go to text fill and change it to white, and from home make it bold, and the font is a little bit small, make it a little bit bigger. I'm using 24 points. Sorry, I'm gonna type instead of business. It's supposed to be standard. Yeah. Now I'm gonna drag this text box, place it here, and another more here. I'm gonna change this to business. And what was the last one? Premium. The last one is premium. P-R-E. So the next thing you're gonna do is go to insert, go to shapes, and from shapes choose this donut shape, and pressing the shift key on your keyboard, draw a donut, place it right in the middle, and with this yellow toggle make it thinner like this. Go to shapes, no outline, shape fill to white. Now I'm gonna drag this with the control key on my keyboard and duplicate them. Now I'm gonna go to insert, text box, and I'm gonna draw a text box right here. Now I'm gonna type $100, align it to the center, and make the text bigger and change the text fill to white. You don't have to make it bold. So now duplicate them. And one more time. We're just gonna change the amount here, 150 to 200. And since this is with the arrow key on my keyboard, I'm just gonna place it down. This looks like it's in the middle. Okay, now go to insert. Before going to insert, let me just see. I'm gonna copy this text. Don't feel like typing it again and again, so gonna go to text box, put a text box here, and press Ctrl V to paste. Now I'm gonna select all these and change the font to a much smaller font. Now we've done that, all we need to do is just to duplicate them. There you go. So once you've done that, select this whole thing first and press Ctrl G to group them. Select this whole thing again and press Ctrl G to group. This whole thing, Ctrl G to group. Now go to animations and select this first rectangle and choose fade, and instead of on click, do it with previous. Then select the next one, fade, instead of on click. After previous, select the third one, fade, and change on click to after previous. Now there you go. It's a very simple graphic design and animation. Let me just play the animation for you. There you go. So thank you guys for watching my tutorial. Please like my videos and subscribe to my channel. If you do so, I'll be bringing much more better tutorials, especially for beginners, so that you can learn step by step. So please don't forget to subscribe, to share my videos and my channel. Thank you so much.